With spices, you're getting something that, it's sort of a finished product, but it also requires that you do something with it. Curry is not from Oakland, right, or pepper or something like that, but it's sort of going through the Oakland lens through us. People in Oakland are exposed to a lot of different cuisines because there are a lot of different backgrounds here. There's like a real blend of things here. So people already sort of know about a lot of stuff, when they come in here, even if they're not from a particular cultural background. They're like, oh, do you have berbere, which is an Ethiopian spice? So people are just really exposed to all the different cuisines. The popular things that we have that people seem to like to take to places are the Better Than Everything bagel spice. So it's kind of loosely based on a concept of an everything bagel. So it's a little bit different, actually, better than an everything bagel. And it's not really intended for a bagel either. It's like kind of a seasonal. I like it on cream cheese, on toast. It's really delicious. You could put it on just about anything. There's a great community pride in Oakland, and people love stuff that's from Oakland and like for Oakland, and they also like to see it do well outside of Oakland too. So there's like kind of like, oh, look at like our hometown spice shop is getting some recognition or something. People are really excited about that.